caught up with a mate of mine and decided to take over the PASportVO to show him. The first thing he said was, I can't believe how small it is. And he was talking about this, by the way. He said you should actually show people just how small and compact the PASportVO is. So here is an iPhone 15, and there is the Passport. So you can see it is smaller than the footprint of an iPhone. And if you look at the side, obviously it's a bit more chunky on the side. But yeah, so that is the size. It's very small, perfect for traveling with. And I've got one sitting here as well, which I use, as I've mentioned before, in the studio for monitoring and also feeding information and sessions into my laptop as opposed to the big system that we're using right now. Anyway, so that's that. And also he said, it should have some rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't slide. It comes with rubber feet that you can stick on, which I've done, and works a treat. So there you go. That's the PASportVO. A couple of tips for you, and now you know how big it is and how cool it is. The PASportVO. Don't forget Centrance.com if you'd like to buy one.